Now we are looking the headlights followed by the typewriter machine. These are gasoline lamps, which is known as the Petromax lamps. Generally we say Petromax, but it is petrol and maximum, so it's a Petromax light. It has an iridium mantle, and heating up with the gasoline fire, it illuminates with high bright light. So these are the gate lamps used to give signal by the gateman. And there's a collection of photographs which is good for historians, and the famous Nippon company in Japan. Japan is well versed for its electronic components, so they have made an relay. So relay is something, a device which a low signal with low current helps to turn on and off a high signal high current. So that is a relay, and this is an electromagnetic. Kaizen Electric Company 1968 provided this relay with a neutral polar, which helps to tell the point position. So which point the rail is turned or the track is turned, that is very important for signaling. So it gives back that signal. There are other kinds of relays equipments. These are electrical equipments, not electronics. Resistance tester, so there is a embellished deers, two deers on the railway engine. So AC lamp relay is used in junction types of stations. It was first introduced in the Basin Bridge junction. And if AC is there, its predecessor DC will be there. So that was DC biased neutral track relay. So this is the Kallar Hillgrove Bridge, which has multiple arches. This is one of the beautiful things to see. In the following videos, I will also post the video which I have taken from the train also. Look at the steam engines. They have kept the Morse code generator, which has dit and dash, which helps to give the telegraph. And this is a telephone hand cranked, and there is a crossbar manual telephone exchange. So it is an exchange. It is used to helps to connect the variable telephone lines. So it's one of the earliest form of telephone exchanges. It is one of the old bridge near Ooty railway station. A photograph of the railway track taken in 1899. This is a hand generator. In a long distance, the signal gets weaker for every kilometer. So for that, signal repeater is used, followed by wire control equipments. It was introduced in 1984 in Chengalpattu Arakkona section with 150 Hz oscillation at headquarters and 162 Hz at the following station. It's a hand generator. Siemens Company, London. You can see the handle and the crank. EBL testing set. DC time delay unit. It was used in Madras Tambaram section, especially Egmore. The delay is achieved by the resistance and capacitor setups. So the charging and discharging time helps to give the particular delay time. It's a river Bhavani taken photo. It's Robert's key. This key instrument was used in Maddu station for controlling the traffic between the Madras and Mysore railways. You are looking at reset castle with the 24 and 60 volt relay, mainly used at the Salem section and railways. is AC track relay. Special train was sent over the Kallar Bridge. Look at the 5 coaches pulling by the steam engine. The signal, DW clutch lever. So this is the lever. When we pull this, wire goes to the tracks and helps to change the direction of the train by switching the points. So these are the levers kept at the control tower, and this is a miniature signal cabin assembly. So pulling this will help to guide the trains. This electric lock and slot indicators were used in Walayar Ghats. It is a ghat between Tamil Nadu and Kerala in the Western Ghats Pass near Coimbatore, where visibility due to the curvature is less, so there is used this kind of equipments. So I cannot wait to see this beautiful train in person, so I went outside to take the capture. So with me you witness the beauty of the steam engine which is passing now.